Alright guys, exciting news. Finally finished uploading the audio-only version of the first class on rabbit nutrition to my school. I would love it if you guys would come over and join me in the new community. Um, it is going to be education focused, much like we've done on this channel, except I can put a lot more interesting stuff and format it like an actual class. So class 1 of 6 is already up. It has 6 modules in it. It runs approximately 30 to 40 minutes. And it's ready to go now. So it's $25 for the entire course. It should be approximately, I think it's going to run maybe 6 hours, between 5 and 6 hours of total material. I just finished the history and the basics of rabbit nutrition, and then the next modules that I'll start releasing next week for class 2 is going to be a deep dive on protein and how protein affects rabbits. And let me just give you a quick run through of what the community looks like. So again, this is going to be the MMC Bun Club school. You can just go to SkOol.com, like you see right up there, and just type in MMC Bun Club -6215. If you go over here to Classroom, this is the Rabbit Science and Nutrition. This is live, so you can go ahead and check that out. And the first class, the Foundations of Rabbit Nutrition, is live, as you can see. Modules 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the recap for 6. It also includes a chapter quiz are here. The first module I have mostly done to how I would like it, and so this one is actually done animated style. So this module has everything. The rest of them will look like this when I'm done. Currently, just in order to get stuff going in the classes, they are mostly just audio files at the moment, and I will go back and I will be adding the video and all the visuals later. I'm also planning on doing worksheets for each module as we get into this. So once you sign up for the class, you're signed up permanently. And so as they are improved upon and more stuff gets added to each of the courses, you'll have access to those as they come. But right now we have all the meat and potatoes up here already. And we have the recap set up plus a chapter quiz. So there's all of those things ready to go. Next week I'm going to be starting on the next part of the rabbit nutrition, which is going to be the protein section. And so we will be doing protein, and I will have all this outlined and get these videos up and going. And then I'll continue to be releasing these as we go forward. As far as community stuff goes, as you can see, there's a Q&A session scheduled happening in 3 days. So Friday will be a rabbit nutrition Q&A at 6 p.m. Eastern time if you are a member of the community. It is free for, I want to say, the first 2 weeks or a month or so. And then after that, it's $5 a month. Or if you want to just pay for a full year, it's, I believe, $40 for the entire year for the school membership. And I do have other, after the nutrition class is finished, I'm going to be working on the genetics class, and then the rabbit health, diagnostics and disease, how to do preventative stuff and look over. There'll be a health one, and then I'm going to be breaking down breeds and breed development. So, and then there'll be more courses added as we go on, but these are the 4 that are currently in the works, starting with the nutrition, which I think is the most important. But yeah, come on over, join me on SkOol. It should be a lot of fun, a lot of learning. And like I said, the first Q&A is going to be for an hour at 6 p.m. starting on Friday, November 8th, Eastern Standard.